Hello guys, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk. Today we are talking about the all-new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. And honestly, this phone is shaping up to be one of the best mid-range devices of the year. Now, this is not a complete redesign, but Samsung has improved all the important areas that actually matter for daily users. First of all, let's talk about the display, because this is one of the strongest highlights. You're getting a big 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means everything feels super smooth and looks very vibrant. Whether you are watching videos or scrolling social media, the experience feels premium. And thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and an aluminum frame, the phone also feels solid in hand. Now, moving to the cameras, Samsung is offering a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The photos come out detailed and sharp, and you also get 4K video recording from both front and back cameras, which is great for content creators. On the front, there is a 12-megapixel selfie camera that does a pretty good job as well. Talking about battery, the phone packs a 5,000 milliamp-hour battery, which easily lasts a full day, and with 45-watt fast charging, you can quickly power it up without waiting too long. In terms of performance, the Galaxy A57 comes with the Exynos processor and 8GB RAM, which means everyday tasks like apps, browsing, and social media run smoothly without issues. It's not made for heavy gaming, but for normal users, it delivers a very reliable experience. And finally, one of the best things about this phone is the software support. Samsung is offering up to 6 years of updates with One UI and the latest Android version, which is honestly impressive for a mid-range phone. So overall, if you are looking for a stylish, powerful, and long-lasting smartphone, the Galaxy A57 5G is definitely worth considering. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Wajid Tech Talk.